I'm going to talk about in detail how I was able to get results like this, getting 48,000 views on my very first video that I uploaded to a brand new YouTube channel. And this was back a couple years ago. But the good thing is this strategy still holds true today. And the best part was this was a faceless YouTube channel, completely faceless. I did my videos using my iPhone and the thumbnails were absolutely horrible. But my goal from this channel was just to earn an extra income from YouTube AdSense. And I was able to do that and get monetized within 3 months. And that's what I want to do a video series on, exactly what I did, how I did it. I want to go over some, now what's silly, what I don't like about this channel is, I created this channel. It became demonetized, and then what they did was they took away my ad revenue stats, which I hate, because I really wanted to go over, what I earned and stuff like that. But the good thing is I have another channel that I'll be able to review, income for X amount of views and all that stuff. So don't worry, that stuff is coming in future videos. Okay, so here's what I did. Back in September 2019, and I know it was a couple years ago, I feel like the pandemic happened and life stood still. But anyway, September 30th, 2019, I created a video regarding The Bachelor. I know, kind of embarrassing. So I didn't show my face at all throughout the entire video. And when I tell you these videos are absolutely horrible, they're absolutely horrible. So what I did was I just got images from Google, right? Uploaded them to iMovie, and then I did a voiceover for each clip. That's it. I uploaded it from my iPhone to YouTube, and anyway, that's all I did. So the first video that I published on this channel got 48,000 views, 3,000 watch time hours, and 371 subscribers. And as I mentioned before, I was able to get monetized for this channel within 3 months. So I can actually do a whole nother video on that. But the cool thing is, I think it was around New Year's. I think it was December 30th. I got my watch time hours and subscribers, and I put it through review, and then within 2 days I was monetized. So it went through the review process within 2 days, but I can create a future video with all that stuff, like the details and what I was able to do. So anyway, that's a whole nother thing. But there's a little tip I did for me to get monetized so quickly on a faceless channel. So that'll be another future video. I have so many ideas for this channel. So hopefully you've subscribed. So here we go. And I love this part because you get a snapshot of exactly what's going on. So I uploaded this video. So September 30th, 2019. Okay. So within the first 2 days, I got 32 views. So I'm like, whatever, like this video is not going anywhere, right? And then the first 5 days, I'm up to 300 views. So I'm like, okay, things are rocking, right? A little bit. First 7 days, I was up to almost 1,000. First 9 days, 3,500 views. And the cool thing is, I hadn't even uploaded a second video by this point yet. And then first 2 weeks, up to 14,000 views. And then let's see, we'll go to, so the first month, I got up to 20,000 views. And then, let's see, the first 50 days, I was at 26,000. And you can see the, okay, so first 3 months, I was at 42,000 views. Now, why? Why did this happen? Now, I can tell you, as far as AdSense, this video did not make much money because it was used primarily to get me to the point to be able to get monetized. So I maybe got a couple dollars from this video, simply because most of the views came prior to me being monetized. But why did this happen? Right? The reason why it happened was and this was totally by accident. It was trending at the time, right? Because this video was about The Bachelor, and this video was about the contestants on The Bachelor. I think I went through each one by one, talked about their bio, all that good stuff, right? So this was trending at the time, which is great, right? It's great because you get a lot of views in a short amount of time. You get a lot of views quick. But the problem is it's not evergreen content. Now, what is evergreen content? It's content that will get views for the weeks, months, and years to come. Because this was trending, I got a lot of views right off the bat, but as you can see, as time went on, I didn't get many views because it wasn't trending at the time. And, 2 years later, like I am right here, it's like, who cares about this, right? Although someone must have cared because I got more views. Even 4 years later, it's crazy to me that people that I got. That's what I love about YouTube, because 4 years after I posted this video, I still got views, even though it was completely far from being relevant. So if you just created a YouTube channel and you want to get views quickly, definitely capitalize on trends if you can. Now, like I said, there's a good side and a bad side about capitalizing on trends, and that is you'll get a lot of views quickly, but, as you saw, you'll get a lot of views, but then it kind of flatlines, right? So your ideal YouTube channel, and I certainly did not do it on this by any means, is if you can get a balance between trending topics as well as evergreen content. Again, content that is relevant for the next couple of years to come, then that's when you can really maximize the potential on YouTube and for your YouTube channel. I have a whole host of examples that I can share of mistakes I made, tricks that I did to really grow a YouTube channel. And I actually, like I said earlier, I have this YouTube channel, and then there's another YouTube channel that I only created just for the YouTube monetization part of it and to earn money from AdSense. However, that was a mistake because I literally could have made 10 times as more, probably even more, if I added an affiliate program to that. Now, there are, I'll get into this in future videos about how to pick out programs and stuff like that, but there is one that I can recommend. And if you want more information on how you can earn up to $900 a day working 2 hours a day in digital marketing, you can do it faceless or showing your face, click on the link below this video to get more information. Or if you want the full detail, then you could check out this video here and it'll go over the entire program for you. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.